If there's one thing that's synonymous with LA, it's show business. If you're visiting the City of Angels and want a behind-the-scenes look at how your favorite TV shows and movies are made, the gold standard in tours is Universal Studios Hollywood. This attraction draws thousands of guests annually. So I've come to hijack a few unsuspecting visitors to the park and become their tour guide.
How do I become a tour guide?
Well, normally you would start on our tram tour, but we're going to leapfrog right over that and take you right to the top, our VIP tour.
Chariot has arrived.
After you.
Where we're sitting now, this is the vantage point that the person on tour is going to have, right?
That's right, not a bad seat in the house. This is the biggest and busiest movie studio in Hollywood.
Since 1914, Universal Studios has been an active movie lot, and today it's the only studio which doubles as a theme park.
Is it difficult sometimes to balance active movies that are being shot with people just touring around?
And balance is a good word for it. There are times you have to detour around filming. You are responsible for the safety and the entertainment of the guests that will be using these seats.
I don't know, safety, we might have to...
We'll work on it.
You might have to help me with that. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, who is ready to learn about the history of Universal Studios Hollywood? Because if you are, you've come to the wrong place.
Now we're off and running. Our first stop, the set of NBC's hit comedy, Superstore.
You can touch and play with anything you want.
No,
toys,
it's
groceries.
Johnny, it's the opposite.
What's the fun of that? Come on, guys, everyone link hands. Welcome to the Superstore. Now, guys, this actually is not real ice. It's, in fact, bubble wrap. We are in the booze section. We're making cocktails on the trolley for the rest of the ride, okay? All right.
Okay, everybody, that's a joke. We're not going to take any booze.
You look athletic. Go long, buddy.
Whoa, wait.
Go for
no,
a
Johnny,
Keep going.
Don't throw them.
That was not supposed to happen, guys, all right?
And we need you guys to get out of here.
Listen.
I think we're in trouble.
It's a hot set. That's cool. Just get out.
He's new.
It's my first day on the job, and I'm already getting fired here.
So let's head back to the trolley. We have lots more to show him on the back lot.
If you look to your left, these look like real buildings, but they're actually not. They are movie sets.
We've used this area in Back to the Future. And tell them what they're made of.
They're made of styrofoam, plastic, and the tears of children.
That's not true.
Next stop is the prop warehouse, where you'll find 200,000 items under one roof. Only here could you find Charlize Theron's throne from Snow White and the Huntsman, an arsenal of weapons, and some creepy lifelike piglets.
Whenever guests on my tour get out of line, they say hello to my little friend.
But what kind of a VIP tour guide would I be if the guest didn't go home with a few souvenirs?
Follow me.
Wait, Johnny. Not the guns.
Okay, but they're good. They're good with their weapons.
That's fine.
Okay.
All right, let me have this. Bring them on. You can't have the props. Said this already. Thank you. Yeah, the parking meter too. Oh, yep, I got it. Thank you. Okay, everybody back.
Next, we're off to the set from one of my favorite Hitchcock films.
We are now entering the scariest motel ever. The Bates Motel. Ooh, ah, the movie Psycho. That up on the hill is the house where Norman Bates lived. Norman, come here real quick. I got some friends I want to introduce you to. Swipe right, ladies. Swipe right. Norman, come on. Get on. Get on, Norman.
You know what? For a first day, Johnny did really well. There were a couple of bumps in the road, like maybe breaking the set in Superstore, but outside of that, really an A.
You guys are getting back on your tram for a ride home. I have a room booked at the Bates Motel tonight. Norman, what's for dinner?